Guys, hello guys, how are you? How are you doing wherever you are? As for me, I'm doing good. Today, I just want to show you how I plugged my prosthesis nose and eye. Yeah, so I have two prostheses. So I choose what I want to plug on my face. So this is the first prosthesis which I have. You see this one? This is the first one, but I don't like this one because it's too big for me. So I need this one. This is the smaller prosthesis. It's small. This is the smallest one. And this one matches with my face because my nose was very small. So yeah, my prosthesis doctor tried to make my nose small. Yeah, I give her my pictures to see what was my nose like, and she was trying to match. Yeah, so I'm using this one nowadays. So I use glue. I ordered this glue on Amazon, and these are Q-tips. To those who know Q-tips, yeah, these are Q-tips. So I dip my Q-tip in the glue, and I put right around my prosthesis, and then after that, I will leave my prosthesis for 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah, after that, I will plug it. I will plug it on my face. I will plug it on my face. I will plug it on my face. So today my prosthesis is not going to stick because I have ointment on my face. As you can see, my face is swollen. I have ointment. So if I'm plugging it, I must clean the area to take off all the oil that I use. Yeah, so that it will plug nicely, you know. So that's how I do my thing. And then I will put makeup on my face. I will put makeup on my face. Yes, as you can see, I have big scar. I think last time I was asking you guys, what can I use for the scar? And many people were telling me that burned skin, it's not easy for the burned skin to fade, right? I have a big scar, but I use makeup. All those pictures which you see, that's how I do my thing. I plug my prosthesis nose and I will put makeup on my face. Thank you so much, guys. I think Ishoshi Mahakusiwa. Now you know how I do my thing, right? Ta-ta!